Ako naman, in terms of efforts pagdating sa relationship, I would say na it's a matter of understanding. Kasi dumadating sa point na just because of the situation where you're in, yung phase nyo ng buhay, pwede kasing nagkakaroon ng challenges. Kaya
Yes.
parang naapektuhan yung efforts.
Okay,
So,
yeah.
nandun na din yung kung meron kang deeper understanding sa situation nyo sa buhay, mas maiintindihan mo, bibigyan mo ng chance yung partner mo. Yung give and take, minsan may timing difference yan eh. Pwedeng there's a phase in your relationship na puro take ka muna, siya puro give, o pwedeng baliktad. Well, there are fortunate relationship na talagang give and take talaga sila regularly.
Yeah.
But what you need to do is give each other a chance na makabawi. And hindi mo yun yung hihintayin mo lang siyang bumawi on his own or on her own. Communication. Kung halimbawa, feeling mo nakukulangan siya sa efforts dun sa relationship, you have to make them aware. That's what I learned sa relationship natin. Dumading din sa point na parang feeling ko mas ako yung nag-e-effort. Pero I came to realize na I just have to let you know what I'm feeling. And that's where you will see kung talagang mag-e-effort yung partner mo. Kaya dadating ka sa point of life na parang mako-compare mo yung effort na binibigay mo sa natatanggap mo eh. Make each other aware of what you're going through in your
Yeah.
relationship. And dun mo makikita if there will be efforts to fix it.
Kung magko-compromise kayo sa isa't isa.
Yes. And compromising doesn't mean immediate. There are times
Matagal.
that it takes time. Get to know your partner well and more para ma-overcome yung ganyang struggle.